Another day, another denim pair, this time in anthracite. A grey on grey pair matches up grey denim and grey suede. Very nice blocking and details on this one. How do you compare these to some of the other denim and suede Air Force Ones which we've had? We've had a blue pair and we've had a black pair. Let me know your thoughts. Hello, and welcome to another episode of QuickSchopes. Today we have the Air Force One denim. And this pair is in anthracite. Anthracite. Let me take this opportunity to ask you to like, leave your thoughts, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Yeah, purchase links for these and the other colors such as the blue pair and the black pair in the description. Stay tuned for the on foot. So yeah, let's start from the soles up. So we have a dark grey outsole, we have a grey midsole stitch, Nike Air and strip, and then we come to this upper. So this upper is composed of suede and denim, and if we start from around the toe, you'll see that we have this anthracite denim around the toe and anthracite suede on the toe box. Both are the same colors, but you can see the tone is different due to the different materials, which is really lovely to see. Also, I'm not going to be saying anthracite all video because that is a tongue twister. Going up the shoe, you'll see more of this grey denim on the eye stay, and you'll see that we have grey embroidered eyelets as well. And at the base, we have a metal dubray. This dubray is in a pair of grey laces to the thickness that I like. These grey laces conceal a grey nylon tongue, and at the top of this tongue you'll see that we have a grey tongue tab with a different shade of grey for the Nike Air detailing. Taking a look at the mid portion of the shoe, you'll see similar to the toe box we have a grey suede panel. Anthracite once again, very nice, and is quite soft to the touch. And then we come to the swoosh. So the swoosh is more of that anthracite goodness, this time in denim, similar to around the toe and on the eye stay. Very nice. This denim continues onto the foxing, which also carries on to the heel of the shoe, where you'll see that we have more grey stitching for the Nike Air detailing. Take a look inside the shoe, you'll see that we have a very nice plush grey sock liner, and for the insole we have a matching grey insole with a different shade of grey for the Nike Air detailing. Let me know what you think of this pair. For me, this is good. This is very good. I really like the color of this one. It lends itself well to the materials. Two-tone grey on this upper works so nicely. The suede is of a decent quality, quite soft in the hands. It feels pretty nice. Not the most plush, but it's pretty cool nonetheless. And of course, tied in with that anthracite color, it looks really gorgeous on this pair. This then pairs up with the denim elements of this shoe, which are also pretty good. The color's not as consistent as I'd like it to be, but I think it still works well on this pair. Especially, you know, the two-tone effect that we have here. The denim quality is decent as well. Yeah, it works. Another element I like on this one is on the eye stay. Of course, we have the denim eye stay, and because it's a denim eye stay, we have tonal eyelets, embroidered eyelets. Just adds a little bit of quality to it, so there's no fraying, you know, over time as the shoes wear and age. No fraying right here. It keeps everything solid, and also it looks pretty nice as well. The midsole outsole combination is beautiful once again. It continues that two-tone theme that we've seen all over the upper. The grey is lighter on the midsole than on the outsole. I think that's really good. Subtle, but it works very nicely. I just love the little two-tone effect that we got here. An interesting aspect of this pair is that the lighter greys, so say on the laces, on the tongue tab and on the midsole, it does have a sort of brownish hue if you look at it closely. It's not brown though. It looks as close to brown. It's more of a brownish grey sort of clay color, but I still think it's good. I still like it. It's not brown though. It's a brownish hue, just to let you know. I don't know if it translates in the camera, in the images, but I can sort of see it just slightly, very slightly. Tongue tab and heel tab detailings, aspects I always, you know, take notice of. Pretty cool on this pair. I like the two-tone effect once again on that tongue tab, that darker grey and lighter grey, you know, similar to the midsole outsole combinations, really nice. And of course, that tonal detailing for the heel tab, denim heel tab. Yeah, aspects I really do appreciate on this pair. Last but not least, that sock liner, really plush, soft to the touch, really nice. It feels so comfortable on feet as well. Very good aspect of this pair. When it comes to the laces, grey anthracite laces in this pair, perfect. You could switch them out maybe to a darker grey lace or a black lace or something like that to switch it up. Me personally, I think these laces are perfect for this pair. Just combines that nice two-tone grey element which is all over the shoe, just ties that in very nicely, and it matches up with the tongue tab detailing as well. Let me know your thoughts. Remember, only these grey laces come with this one, so if you want to do a lace swap, you can do from your lace box. This pair fits like normal Air Force Ones. Compared to other shoes, go down half a size. Let's check these out on feet. With all that being said, a solid pair in my opinion. That's why I give these a 7.5 out of 10. Very good. I think it's the better pair of this two-tone effect detailing right here. It's two shades of a similar shade of grey. Very good, and I love the midsole outsole combination as well, amongst other details which I've mentioned. Let me know what you think of these and how do they compare to the blue and blue pair. I can't remember the blue off the top of my head, but I did do a review of them, so check that out of course. And how do those compare to these and the black and grey pair? So that black and grey pair is really dark, but in hand you can see the grey elements of the mid portion. You know, the denim is grey and the suede elements, the denim is black and the grey suede elements as well, combined for quite a very nice pair. Let me know your thoughts on all of those. Purchase links for those three pairs and any others which combine these elements in the description. Anyway, I've been Schopes. Thank you everybody for subscribing. Sharing your thoughts is always appreciated. Check out that blue and blue pair right here. Signing out. See ya.